so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello and welcome. Please join my corner of the internet by subscribing and I will really appreciate it. So I'll just give you a moment to do that. Are you subscribed? Fantastic. Today's video is a super exciting one which I'm sure you guys have been waiting for the longest time, and that is my LUSH Halloween haul for 2020. So I originally wasn't going to bother buying anything from the Halloween range this year, but I went into LUSH the other week and I was like, do you know what? I need to buy some. So I bought a few things. I think I have about 6 items from the collection. 5 or 6? Yeah, I think 6. So I got quite a few things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. On a side note, I just took off all of my acrylic nails, so my nails look absolutely rank. So I do apologise about that, but they kept pinging off and it was doing my head in, so I just took them all off. So please ignore my nails, they are gross. So the first item is the very frightening shower gel. Now I haven't actually smelt this yet, so I am going to be smelling it on camera for the first time, which is thoroughly exciting, I know. But this one is actually £6 for the 100ml, and it is kind of like a weird texture. It kind of looks slightly jelly-like, I don't know, it looks kind of strange. This one has grapefruit oil, bergamot oil and almond oil. It also has lemon juice, fig juice and xanthan gum, which is what I think makes it this weird, really like slimy texture. But let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. I'm very excited. Okay, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is Space Girl scented. It's got that very like Palmer Violet-y, love heart kind of smell, which is not how I expected it to smell, if I'm honest with you. Like, the colour of this does not remind me of Space Girl at all. I do really like this. It's not what I expected at all. I thought it was going to be like a citrusy kind of smell, maybe like Collis or something, but I am really impressed with the scent and I am really sad that I only bought the small bottle, I'm not gonna lie. But here we are. It says on the front, embrace your sweet side with this palm oil and SLS free wash. Uplifting lemon and Figaro juices will leave you feeling magnifico. Oh. But yeah, it looks really cool. I love the colour of it. It smells amazing and oh, it just brings back memories. So I love that. 10 out of 10. Next up we have the Bath Art Bath Bomb, which is making an absolute mess all over me, and I am kind of worried for how my bath is going to turn out. So I'm really sorry, Mum and Dad, if you're watching this video, because the bath is going to get hella stained, I think, with this one, but we're going to smell it. My hamster's decided to wake up now. Oh, that smells really familiar. It's got like a licoricey smell. It smells kind of like smells very similar to that licorice soap that came out years ago. What is in this? Hang on, I'm just going to go on the website and have a look at the ingredients. 2 secs. So it says this one has lemon oil, mandarin oil, rosemary and sage. Apparently there is no licorice in this whatsoever, but it literally smells like licorice. Like spot on. So if you don't like licorice, you probably won't like this one, but it is really cute. I'm loving it. This is the problem now. I have black all over my hands and I have nothing to wipe it on, so I'm gonna have to wipe it on my duvet. Next up we have a repeat from last year, and that is the Pumpkin Bath Bomb. Say that times 5 fast? 5 times fast. Pumpkin. No, it doesn't work, but this is adorable. So this one is £4.50 and it does not smell, I just inhaled that then. It does not smell anything like I thought it would. I thought it was going to smell like the pumpkin bath bomb that they used to do years ago, which was delicious, but this doesn't smell like that. I don't know how I feel about that smell, actually. It's kind of spicy. Let me see what ingredients are in it. So this one has cinnamon leaf oil, lime oil, orange oil and mandarin. It also has pumpkin powder in it, which is quite interesting. Scent wise though, it's not really for me. It's like really woody. It's got a citrus kind of kick behind it, which is nice because I think if it didn't I would hate it, but it's got really fine undertones of like lemon, but this main kind of smell is like, I don't want to say garden, but I'm hinting towards garden, kind of like potpourri, like a spicy potpourri. I don't know, I'm not sure, but it's going to make a great Instagram pic, so it was worth it, you know. And that one is £4.50. I'm not sure I said, but it's £4.50. The next item is a lip scrub. Now, if you know me, you'll know that I do not need any more lip scrubs in my collection. I have literally probably about 7. Some of them have gone out of date and taste gross now, so I need to throw them away, but I had to get this one because it looked amazing, and I am going to taste it on camera because I can't control myself. So this is the Toffee Apple Lip Scrub. Great idea. And when you open it up, you actually have pink and green. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of mostly green, but the underneath is pink. I don't want to tip this up. Hang on. Can you see the pink? I'm not sure, but there's half pink, half green. And this one, let me just smell it. That smells unbelievable. Oh, right. You guys need this. It's like, I don't want to say toffee apple, but it's like a sour apple with a mixture of caramel. Like if you mix yognog and like So White together. I'm going to have to taste it, so we're going to go in. It's a very like firm lip scrub. Like obviously some of them can be quite crumbly. This one is quite like moist. Do you know what I mean? Oh yeah. That is delicious. That's unbelievable. So good. Ingredients wise, this has jojoba oil, shea butter, bergamot oil, geranium oil. Also has sandalwood, sea salt. Yeah, it has sea salt. I can actually taste that now. I've read that, but surprisingly there is no apple, which I am surprised. Or toffee for that matter. So I have no idea how they've come up with that, but that is unbelievable. And price wise, it is £6.50. These used to be £5, so they have gone up in price, but I love it nonetheless, and it will last me absolutely ages, so I can't complain with that one. And I know I said this was a Lush Halloween haul, and it mainly is. However, I did forget that I popped this one in my basket, and I feel like it'd be really rude not to include him. So that is the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb. And this smells like Space Girl. It's so good. If you've been watching me for a long time, you'll know that Space Girl was my first ever bath bomb from Lush. It was the first experience I had with a bath bomb. And it's delicious. Oh, it's amazing. And I mainly picked this one up because it was only £2.95, so it is a lot more affordable than the other ones, but this is unreal. That's delicious. In terms of ingredients, again, I will read a few off. We've got grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, almond oil, raspberry seed oil, popping candy, which I believe is what's on the top of this one. And that's kind of it really, but it smells kind of like Parma Violet Sweets. And those like love hearts. Honestly, that's unreal. Oh, I love that. That's delicious. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I thought I would do a small Lush haul. As you guys know, I can't really afford to buy the entire collections anymore, but I do still want to do Lush hauls. So let me know if you'd like to have a Christmas one, because I feel like there's one coming. So let me know below what you think I should get from the range. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram. It's always linked in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, because I would love to have you here. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.